Welcome back to the channel. We've been blessed with a ton of garlic this year. What are we going to do with all of it? We have more than we've ever had before. What you see on the table here is just a tiny fraction of what we've got. We've got the rest curing on our garlic drying rack. If you've never seen that before, check out the card above. So we decided to show you how to braid garlic. We've got both some hard neck and some soft neck garlic. So our hard neck garlic is really small this year, and I'm not sure why. It is old stock, and it comes from the stuff that we've had growing for several years. But having small hard neck garlic, it is much easier to braid because usually you do not braid hard neck garlic. It's just too hard and too tough. We like to cure ours before we braid it. So first things first, we are going to peel off these outside layers. Just kind of clean it up a little bit. Clean off that outer shell, and we're going to snip off these roots. We're going to get several like this, nice and cleaned up, and then we're going to start our braid. Remember, don't peel off too much of the paper here at the bottom, because that is what protects and helps to keep your garlic over time. It's just like an onion, obviously. You want that paper to be completely encasing all of the cloves in your bulb, and that protects it from drying out and going bad. Just take off this nasty stuff that's on the outside there. Kind of give that a quick rub down from any dirt, and trim off those roots. Now that we have enough cleaned off, let's get to our braiding. Now we're going to do a simple 3-strand braid, and to get your start right here at the end, you can do one of two things. You can use some string, or you can do it this old-fashioned way, like we like to do it, where you cross two over like this, bring one under, the center one under, and wrap it around like this to secure the start. From there, I'm going to grab a fairly large clove, and I'm going to lay it down and match it up with the center. I'm going to cross this left one over the center. We're going to grab another piece of fairly large-sized garlic, lay it down the center, the new center, which was the one that you brought over from the left, and then you're going to bring the one over from the right. Make sure you're tucking and tightening everything as you're going. You're going to take another piece of garlic here on the left side, cross it onto the center, and then left over into the middle, just like you're braiding your daughter's hair. As you successively go, you're going to see the opportunity to put a large clove right in the center like that. Run it down the middle, and then cross it over. You're going to get more and more strands, obviously, and that is going to lead to really you understanding when to stop this braiding process. Now, since these are already cured, it's, like I said, it's way easier to do this. You're going to get a feel for what size bulbs of garlic are going to fit in each position. So just feel it out, have a lot of different sizes at the ready, and keep braiding. Once you get to the end and you feel like you've got enough garlic and there is just so much of the leaves here that you really can't braid it well anymore, start to just braid these leaves the best that you can. And then we are going to tie it actually at the end with our string. Once you've tied it at the top, you can trim it up and make it look pretty by just clipping off the rest of the leaves. And there you go. There's your garlic braid. It is ready to hang up in the house or in your pantry or in your root cellar, wherever you hang it, to keep it for long-term storage. So that's it, folks. It's really simple for braiding this soft neck garlic. Now, this one I did do with hard neck garlic, and like I said, ours are a little bit smaller, and they are cured. So it was much easier to braid them. Usually you don't braid hard-neck garlic. You just clip it off like that, clip off the roots, clean it up for storage, and keep it like that. Right, Ariel? Yep. Look at that. We got our garlic.
Yeah.
All right. If you're interested in more homesteading how-to videos, go check out this video right here, which shows you how to harvest and cure garlic. Have a great day. We love you, and we'll see you on the next video.